Hello students, welcome to BioWhisper with Manas. Today we are going to deal with Annelida. We have been discussing the animal kingdom, which is an integral part of class 11 biology. So let's start. So today we will start with earthworm or Annelida. Phylum Annelida. So what are the general characteristics of Annelida? It has got an organ system level. From Escalanthes, we have the organ system level. It's bilaterally symmetrical since Platyhelminthes we have the bilaterally symmetrical arrangement, and it's triploblastic since Platyhelminthes. First time, the arrangement of eucoelomate is found in Annelida. Before that, in Ctenophora, Nidaria, Platyhelminthes, these were acoelomates, and Escalanthes was pseudocoelomate. First time the digestive system is here is complete. From Escalanthes, the digestive system was complete, and here we also in annelids the digestive system is also complete. Now, what are the special characteristics? The circulatory system, first time is the closed type visible in Annelida. Blood moves within tubes or vessels. For the first time, we find here longitudinal and circular muscles that help in locomotion, and it's seen first time in Annelida. For osmoregulation and excretion, we have nephridia here, and nephridia is seen in Annelida. Reproduction here, we find that the reproduction is bisexual means. In Nereis are dioecious, that means the male and female are separate. While in earthworm and leeches, it's monoecious, that means the male and female, they are the parts are same, their parts, both the parts are found in the same organism. Porifera and Nitaria, we found the sexual and asexual means. Ctenophora only we find the sexual means. Platyhelminthes asexual plus sexual, and Escalanthes mainly sexual. And here in Annelida we have also the sexual means. Fertilization in Porifera it was internal, Nitaria and Ctenophora external, Platyhelminthes and Escalanthes internal, and in annelids it's either external or internal. Development is direct. In Porifera, Nidaria and Ctenophora it was indirect. Platyhelminthes mostly direct, Escalanthes direct, and here in annelids we have either direct or indirect. So what are the examples here? Nereis, it is the aquatic annelids. It has got parapodia, the lateral appendages for locomotion. Apart from them, we have the earthworm for locomotion, and it has got special organs called setae. These are hair or vessel-like structures which help in movement. Apart from that, we have the hydrodenuria, the blood-sucking leech. So that's annelid for you. Now let us move to phylum Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda, it also shows the organ system level. Since Escalanthes, we have the organ system level. It's bilaterally symmetrical since Platyhelminthes, triploblastic since Platyhelminthes, complete digestive system since Escalanthes, and eucoelomate since Annelida. First time, eucoelomate Annelida. Special characteristics. Here the exoskeleton of arthropods, they are made of chitin. First time in Arthropoda, we find joint appendages. Body generally divided into three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. First time, the special respiratory organs found in arthropods. What are those? Gills, which are found in prawn. Both gills are found in aquatic arthropods, example crabs. But there are book lungs, which are found on territorial arthropods, such like scorpion, and tracheal tubes are found in insects and cockroaches. The circulatory system in Arthropoda, it's open type, while in annelids, we all know that it was closed type. For the first time, closed type circulatory system was seen in annelids. But in arthropods, it's open type. We have sensory organs here, eyes, which may be simple or compound. Then we have the antenna, and after that we have the balancing organ, which is known as statocyst. Arthropods are oviparous, that egg-laying organisms. Here the fertilization is internal. Sexual reproduction mainly seen in arthropods, and the development may be direct or indirect. That means the larva may be involved or not. Excretion is done through Malpighian tubules. So that's arthropoda for you. What are the examples here? We have cockroach, we have prawn, we have spider, crab, butterfly, and also the gregarian pest locust, which causes harms to crops. These are found in groups. So we have studied it today annelids as well as arthropods. So until we meet next time, keep studying and do subscribe my channel if you haven't done so, and do like my videos. Thank you.